Oh, she is no. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel or welcome back. I'm Xavier and today we're going to be watching Pearl. So it's a 2020 movie starring Mia Goth and David Corenswet, Superman. And yeah, so apparently people like this, part of my Halloween series, and yeah. Let's get into the synopsis. It says, in 1918, a lonely Texas farm girl with a ravenous appetite for stardom goes to increasingly extreme lengths for what she believes is her big break. It says horror movies, thriller movies, violent, suspenseful, violence, sex, nudity. Intriguing. Let's get into it. Okay.
Zieh es aus. Runter zur Scheune und füttere die Tiere, wie du es versprochen hast.
Okay, so we get an early view of what I'm assuming that's her mother, or what her mom is like. Very, hey, this is how we do things here.
Eat up!
Pearl is kind of like a dreamer type person. As you can see from her, they're just looking.
I'm special. Mama's gonna feel real stupid when she finds out, won't she?
Yeah, she will.
Y'all see me for who I really am? A star.
Yeah, what a star. I love that they're piercing coming into focus. She's not gonna stab it, is she? Oh, she did stab it. Alright. They telegraphed it and, well, they followed through, so. Okay. Alright, we're in 1918. Cool. I have no clue what to expect here. Oh, I did see something about that is something about timelines of Pearl. I'm like, what? Oh, that makes sense. But
With all the farmhands gone, I can't do everything around here myself.
where are all the... Oh, the war. I was like, why are the farmhands gone? Obviously, World War One.
Says the Allies have taken control of France. But Mama, this could mean the end of the war.
Do as I ask, Pearl. I don't want to hear about any more dead Germans tonight.
Ah, yeah, because she's German herself, I'm assuming. Is he gonna be able to eat, or...
Hilf dein Vater.
Question answered, alright. So, they have to feed him. Cool.
Your loving husband, Howard.
Oh, she's married.
Pick up more medicine. Which means I get to stop by the pictures.
The slurping sound.
Remember to cover your face.
Oh, why?
Don't linger close to anyone.
I think it's probably about the Spanish flu. Okay. I'm assuming this. Wait, when was this movie filmed? Was this inspired by COVID? Or was that written like before and shot before and just came out in 2022? I don't know. I have to look that up. Not her stealing some of the medicine.
He met a girl by chance with the naughty, naughty glance.
You enjoy the picture?
Well, did you?
Why not? You're pretty enough. On account of a husband, I gather?
Yeah.
He's overseas, but my father's infirm, so I have to help at home.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Mom was expecting me, but I appreciate the,
Stay there for just 1 minute, would you?
Okay.
okay.
Of course you would say, yeah.
From what you just saw. Knock on this door. I'm always here, and well, I can run the pictures as much as I like.
Okay.
Thank you. I will.
Yeah, she definitely will. I believe that. Oh! No! You're not gonna find it, girl. It's gone. Something about to happen. The music is telling me something's about to happen. Okay. Is that gonna come back into play later in the movie? The scarecrow? Wait, does she see it?
May I have this dance?
Oh, that's what she was getting. Sorry,
I'm married!
Girl, you're the one who... It's not his fault, it's your fault. Is she gonna fake having... I think she is. Wow. Wow. The girl you narrated? No, 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 no. Ugh. Okay, I wasn't sure what she was planning to do. Pearl? Pearl, what are you doing?
There are 8 cents missing.
I've gotten some hard candy for the trip home.
More than our candy.
That is enough then.
But Mama, I wrote all that way. I'm starving.
You may have what's left of it in the morning. Where are you going?
To bed.
I did not excuse you from the table.
So she's supposed to sit there and watch you eat? Alright.
Ist das klar? Gut. Du kannst jetzt gehen.
Okay, she wanted to give her a lecture. Alright. Is that her wish coming through?
All this isolation has been enough to make one mad, hasn't it?
It really has.
For God's sake, Ruth, it's just a peg. Saturday at 11.
Okay.
Okay.
Sister-in-laws have to stick together, right?
Yes. Let's see how that works out.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
Is it Saturday and she's leaving now? Oh, she's just stealing a dress from her mother. Oh, you might be in trouble, Pearl. She escaped. Wait, so those are the only clothes Pearl has are like the farm wear stuff, the farm overalls and whatever. That's all I ever see her in. Okay, this looks like Pearl has escaped a few times this route, so she knows what she's doing. Yeah, I thought it was just like early morning and she was just leaving early for the like 6 a.m. or something, and she was leaving early for the Saturday for the chorus line thing, but nope. She was just meeting this guy, I don't remember his name.
Well, I didn't expect to see you again this soon.
What if I'm not perfect?
You can do anything if you want it bad enough.
I don't think you need to be perfect.
I want it.
Just really good.
And don't let anything stand in your way. How about a film nobody else has seen? Picked this one up while I was in the service in France.
Okay, so he was in the war. Did he?
Means I can pack up and leave whenever I want to.
Sounds like a dream.
Just as long as I can keep from waking up.
Hey, is what it is. Okay, but he was in World War One, I'm assuming, and maybe he got sent home like an injury or like just finished his tour and never went back. Is it a porn? I think it might be. Oh yeah, it is.
People pay an arm and a leg to see this.
They would.
I don't like reality.
I could tell that.
If you don't make the most of it when you're young, you don't get a second chance.
You know, it's true. He's speaking.
If only they would just die.
Okay. All right.
Pardon?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah. Good answer.
Why would you ever want to be like everybody else?
Good point. I agree.
You could even be in pictures like this. I know, I'd watch you.
I don't think you want to be in pictures like this, Pearl. I'm sure he would want to watch you though. I think you should change clothes first, Pearl. But no, she's not doing that.
What are you staring at?
You? Why am I answering like that? I don't know. Don't mind me. Is she gonna kill her father? Push him off?
It'd be easier for me if I didn't feel like I was abandoning you.
Pearl? What are you doing? We need to get him back to the house.
Why do you hate me, Mama?
Oh, okay. Interesting question.
I only want what's best.
When do I get what I want?
I'd ask that too.
Life rarely turns out how you expect. You need to be prepared for that if you ever want to be happy.
She was really about to kill him. I'm like 90% sure. 90%. What? Yeah. Oh, she's gonna kill people. I just know it.
There's a dance audition in town tomorrow. I'm going to it.
No, you're not.
Find out if I'm good enough.
Good enough for what, Pearl?
To make it.
And I don't get picked, then I'll come home and I'll never speak of it again, I swear. Please, Mama, you have no idea what I'm capable of.
It's a decent ask.
Oh, yes, I do.
Oh.
You can't keep your true self hidden forever, Pearl. They will notice eventually and they will be frightened. just as I am.
You are not well, Pearl. Malevolence is festering in you. I see it.
You can't stop me.
Oh, yes, I can.
How?
Want to know what I could do to you?
Here, take it. That's what you really desire, isn't it? Perhaps I should kill him for you. Would that suit your selfish dreams better?
Yes it would.
But when you fail, and you will fail,
Don't come back.
I want you to remember what it feels like.
because that's how I feel every time I look at you.
I just don't want him to block you, is all.
Oh! You're on fire, lady. Take off your clothes. Sorry, I'm speechless. Oh, that's their father and their mother. And their husband. Okay, this is... Oof.
You still think I'm pretty enough?
Well, not much has changed in the last 24 hours.
Yes, it has.
Oh yeah, a lot has happened. This is gonna be interesting. What did she do with her father? Also pretty sure her mom is dead.
I'm gonna get you cleaned up real soon, okay? I just have a guess right now.
Oh, so they just left the pig on the step. Alright. Fun.
Come in!
At least taking it up, you know, man. Just her mom is just like not thinking about the pig at all.
Pleased to meet you, sir.
What was that?
Nothing.
Pretty sure it's her mama.
Please don't go.
What's the matter with you?
A lot. That's
Nothing.
oh, nothing is not the right answer to that question.
It's her dog. She made a mess in the kitchen while I was away.
Liar! You are a liar.
I named each of them after my favorite picture stars. If you're not moving forward in show business, you're moving backwards.
They say that? Alright.
What about your dog?
Huh?
What's its name?
We don't have a dog.
You just told me you have a dog.
Thought you said you did. In the cellar.
Oh. Right.
It's nice seeing you, Pearl.
Did I do something wrong?
No?
Then why did you just go cold on me?
Cause you lied to him.
What did you see?
I didn't see anything.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Why are you leaving me if I didn't do anything wrong? I don't understand. I thought you liked me!
I do like you. I just...
Tell me the truth! Why are you leaving me? What did you see? Why did you change?
You're scaring me, Pearl.
Yeah. Take it down a few levels. And he's dead.
I'm not staying on this farm! Nothing's gonna keep me here!
I want you to remember what it feels like. Because that's how I felt every time you looked at me.
Damn. I will say I was spoiled about whatever his character's name is. Sorry, it's slipping me. His death? David Cornsworth's character.
Don't look at me like that.
I saw a picture with the pitchfork. Oh, this is the dress from all those pictures I've seen of this movie. Is she gonna kill him? No.
I know you'll look down on me proudly.
Yeah, she's gonna kill him. She's gonna kill him.
Au revoir, poor Johnny!
Oh, she is. No.
I was beginning to think you weren't gonna show. Sorry. I had some chores to do around the house.
Yeah, chores.
It has to be me. I don't think you meant to say that out loud, Pearl.
Oh no, she meant it.
Well, if it's not me, then I hope it's you. It has to be me.
Yeah. Has to be her.
Thank you. You're a good friend.
Is she really though?
Emma?
No.
Of course you are. Sister-in-laws have to stick together, right?
Oh, Mia Goth. Mia Goth? Great.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now, come on now.
Next. Your turn, Pearl. Time to show them what you can do. I'm gonna show them all.
Yeah, you do that. Interesting choice they've done here, doing it like in the slow motion with the heightened sounds. The heightened sounds, is that the right word? But that the sound on just like only the sound for walking and like the taps and like the voice muffled voice there. Yeah. Interesting. Girl, you're doing too much. I don't think they like it.
Thank you. But it's gonna be a no.
Yep.
Pardon?
Sorry, it's just not what we had in mind.
But that was the best dancing I've ever done.
Doesn't matter, dear.
All American, younger and blonde. Someone with X Factor.
What?
Yeah.
Time to go.
Gotta go.
Please.
No, Pearl.
You don't understand. I need this.
Next in line, please.
I'm a star.
Go.
No, I'm a star.
No, babe. No, no.
Please, I'm a star.
That was ugly. Damn. She killed her mother and father for nothing. Imagine that. Nobody's taken up the pig yet? Come on, man. But it is also a great like little metaphor for what's Pearl's deteriorating mental health.
Is that our pig?
Yes, it is.
You know, the first thing about quality dancing.
Mitzi got the part, didn't she?
I'm worried there may be something real wrong with me and Mitzi. Seems like there's something missing in me that the rest of the world has.
Well, practice on me first then. Pretend I'm Howard, and you just say whatever's on your mind.
This is a bad idea, Mitzi.
Really?
Yes. Trust me.
It was a mistake. It wasn't him that I wanted, I know that now. I wish things could just go back to the way they were before, but I don't see how they could. Not after the things I've done.
What else have you done, Pearl?
Wrong question to ask.
Truth is, I'm not really a good person.
Oh yeah, that is true.
Pearl, I think I should.
The reason I kept my eyes to the ground around other men was never to avoid hurting you.
Oh.
It's because I understood how lucky I was to have your attention. All my life I've wanted off this farm and you were my ticket out. I made sure to never let you see who I really was. I wore it like a charm too.
Okay.
How could you be so selfish and cruel after all I'd done to make you happy? I was even pregnant with your baby.
Okay.
Felt like sickness.
Did she kill the baby?
How could I be responsible for another life? Life terrifies me. It's harsh and bleak and draining. I was so relieved when it died. He never answers any of my prayers. I don't know why. What did I do? What is wrong with me?
A lot.
Times I wake in the middle of the night and the fear washes over me, because what if this is it? What if this is right where I belong?
Yeah, that's awful. That's an awful feeling. I can understand that.
Failure.
Oh, failure.
I'm not pretty.
What? You're pretty.
Or naturally pleasant or friendly. I'm not smart. Or funny or confident.
Yeah.
I'm so scared that when you finally come home, you'll see me and be frightened like everyone else is. First, it was only animals smaller than myself.
Oh.
Nothing but feelings, nothing that could hurt me back.
Oh, she's going full.
Felt good.
Oh, she's.
Killing's easier than you'd think. Till recently with Mama and the boy from the picture house, they were different. They were more meaningful. I hurt them so they too might know what it feels like to suffer, but poor Daddy didn't deserve that. I wish I hadn't done what I did. Mama meant well.
Yeah, she did.
I made such a mess of things.
Oh.
I don't know how much more I can take.
A mess of things is an understatement.
I need to make things right before you see me again. We can love each other. I'll do that for you.
I like the way she.
If you really meant all that,
So
till death do us part.
She got the tears. I like how she did that.
All I really want is to be loved.
Yep, I can see that for sure. Oh, what would I do here if I was Mitzi? I just try to play into it.
Are you frightened of me?
Yes, she is.
Of course not, Pearl.
Do you think I'm sick?
No, dear, no.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I didn't get the part.
It's okay. Don't have to pretend anymore. My feelings won't be hurt.
Oh, Pearl.
It wasn't me. I'm glad it was you, right?
Sorry, I mean Mitzi. You better play along.
But Pearl,
Please.
She's gonna picture a line to her.
Don't lie to me.
Tell her you did it, Mitzi.
Thank you. Hope you can come see this show sometime.
You guys get everything you want.
Oh no, it didn't work. Damn.
You're younger and more blonde. You're not gonna say anything, are you?
No. Me?
No.
Never, never.
I really do love Howard.
We believe you, dear. We believe you.
Nobody has to know.
Our little secret.
Can fix things.
Yeah, our secret, our secret. Hurry, hurry! You're taking too long, Mitzi. Taking too long. Hurry now. Run, run, run. Is it come by car? Oh, run! Run, dear, run!
Help!
Nobody here to help you.
Somebody please help!
Take off your shoes and run! Take off your shoes! Take off your shoes and run!
Help! Help! Help!
I'll do anything you want.
want any more, Mitzi?
Okay. I told you to take off your shoes and run, Mitzi. Take off your shoes and run. That was the only way you were gonna get escape. She didn't do it.
Lieber Gott, nicht Mond am Himmel und die stille Welt was. Ich hab dich lieb.
Oh boy.
Through Christ our Lord. Amen.
I think this is Awad. Pearl? Yeah. Yeah.
Howard, I'm so happy you're home.
Oh my wow. Yeah. Alright. So that was Pearl. I'm teetering between a 3.5 or a 4 out of 5 stars. Right now it's a 3.5. I may put it to a 4 later. I don't know, I have to think about it some more. Well, I would say Mia Goth, brilliant. She was amazing. That monologue scene, and then the smile at the end credit scene when she just smiling after Howard came home. Wow. Okay, so Letterboxd described this movie as trapped on her family's isolated farm, Pearl must tend to her alien father under the bitter and overbearing watch of her devout mother, lusting for a glamorous life like she's seen in the movies. Pearl's ambitions, temptations, and repressions collide. Yeah. I like this movie. Okay, wait. Hold up. Let me phrase that. This is a well done, very good movie. It hit what it was aiming for. I think it was just like a this was like a commentary on depression, and she was probably depressed. Also, she has feelings deep down inside her that are she's not satisfied, and so this is about mental health also, but and she also wants to be a star, so it's like this lust for fame. So this movie is commenting on a lot of things here. Hold on, let me just check something. Okay, so Pearl was filmed in 2021. Wait, it says here Pearl is related to someone movie called X. Oh, okay, interesting. But anyway, it's 2021. So like I was thinking, the Spanish flu part. I think that was that was it was a movie of its time. This movie, the filming of this movie, was like with the pandemic and everything in full flow, and so but A24 they were able to film movies because they adhered to all the rules and regulations and everything. So that's how Pearl was able to come out and film and everything. And wow, okay, so I get it. Spanish flu, COVID, makes sense. I know I'm just rambling so far. Let me see how long have I been talking. Roughly like 4 minutes or so, and I have not said anything. I'm just that's cause I'm just you saw me during that movie. I'm just speechless reading. I am amazed. That's just brilliant. I got complimented some of the what's it called again, the shot compositions like that. What they did with some of the shots, the sound and everything. The music choice was magnificent. Acting was phenomenal. Especially Mia Goth. She knocked it out of the park. Everything was amazing from her. No complaints, no notes. This movie lived and died based on how she did, because she is like basically in almost every scene. And I have to say, I loved her performance in this. It's a Mia Goth vehicle, and she drove it stupendously well. Beep F1 winning racer, you know, that's who Mia Goth is in this movie. Amazing. I don't think I can say anything that hasn't been said before. It's extremely well done. Knocked it out of the park. Let me just think of something to say. I'm just amazed that she did everything. She killed her parents. She killed David Corens's character. David character? I don't even know his character's name. Hold on. Okay, it just says projectionist. With it, see, I was wondering like, I didn't know her name. I was like, wait, I never heard her name. And right, because they didn't give him a name. It just says projectionist here. And we didn't also know the name of her father. And I don't think we also learned the name of. We also didn't know the name, the last name was. The name was the farmers, like Powder Cake Farms. Something. And Powder Cake Farms is very apt because it was just like powder cake waiting to blow. And the pig, like I was saying, the pig is like a metaphor for Pearl's mental state. As soon as it's introduced, it just keeps going down and down and down. Yeah, and then like she kills her mother, then she kills the projectionist, she kills her father, then she kills Mitzi, and then by the time Howard comes home, the pig has been sitting on the table for a while, and the pig has been just like done out, basically the pig done out. And Howard comes home and Pearl is just like smiling like a crazy person because she is. And yeah, what else am I supposed to say to that? It's like the film did everything. Was, well, okay, I'm just going to be rambling. If I have any further thoughts, I'll put it in. Like a on editing, but I doubt it. But you know, well, before I go, let me. Okay, so some reviews on Letterboxd. The director yelled "cut," but Mia Goth heard the C word and just went with it, and she did that. Howard is so real for staying after all that. Yes, he is. Babe, wake up! New 824 dinner monologue just dropped. What other 824 dinner monologue is there? Okay, this might be like a hereditary, by hereditary, or Okay, I see. A 6-minute monologue with no cuts about cheating on her husband and confessing to several murders. Yes, that's how we end it. Those are my thoughts for now. Goodbye.